Hello there. What if you have your key card in your pocket and you try to open your door of your car and don't want to open? The battery is empty. In this test, I pull out the battery to show you how to open your car, how to replace your battery, and how to start your car without battery or empty battery. So what you should do? So you can't open your car. Any of your doors are locked. So open your key to replace the battery. First thing, check the buttons. Buttons need to be up, and pull this down. You have opened your key. Here is a key for opening the door that will show you a couple of minutes later. Now we are simulating the battery replacement. So here is the cover. Remove the cover. Take the new battery, pull the battery inside, and as you can see, your car recognized that the key is near. So try to open. Door is open. So what will happen if we remove that battery? How to remove it? You have this here, this cover. Put it inside, out, and remove. And what will happen? The car recognizes that the key is outside of the range and automatic locking. So you can't open your car. So now we are going to simulate and to show you how to open your car without or with empty battery if you don't have near you battery to put it inside. So take this spare key. This is the mechanical key. What to do? As you open your door, pull this out, your key. Down there is a hole. Put the key inside and pull that up. Remove this cover, and now you have your locking device here. Put your key inside, turn it on right, and open your door. As you can see, not so difficult to do it. But what is the next thing what you need to do? How to start your car? For starting your car, go inside. You will not need this anymore. You will need this here, your key card. As you probably know or don't know, your key card is RFID. Have the tag inside. And how to start your car? So you are here inside of your car. Grab your key card. As normal start of your car, press the pedals, take the card. Here is the start button. Put your card on start button and beat your card, push it down, and your car is starting. When I remove my card and I want to turn off the car, won't turn off because say no key card. So press and hold. That is how you can turn off your car. But so this is how you can start your car and go to near shop to take your new battery and replace it for your Renault car. Not so difficult, but life-saving. Thanks for watching. I hope I helped you with this method how to